Edward helps
I'm
out.
going out again tomorrow, Edward told the other engines that night. What do you think of that? There were lots of freight cars, and
Thomas
worked
saves the
very
day.
hard, pushing and pulling them into place. There was also a small coach and two strange things his driver called cranes. Breakdown train, he told Thomas. Thomas was coupled on, and off they went. Thomas worked his hardest. Hurry, 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 he puffed. He wasn't pretending to be like Gordon. He really meant it. Bother those freight cars and their tricks. I hope poor James isn't hurt. That caused the accident. Thomas pushed the breakdown train alongside. Then he pulled away the unhurt freight cars. Oh dear, they groaned. Serves you right, puffed Thomas. Teach you a lesson, he told the freight cars. And they answered, yes it will. They left the broken cars. Then with two cranes they put James back on the rails. He tried to move, but he couldn't, so Thomas helped him back to the shed. And came early and worked hard to mend
Terrence the
snowplow,
tractor.
but they couldn't make it fit. Thomas was pleased. Percy soon learned what he had
Trouble
to
in
do.
the shed.
They had a happy afternoon. Percy, Edward, and Thomas that they could go and play on the branch line for a few days.
Percy runs away.
Don't do it. No
Whistles and
one mentioned
sneezes.
whistles. One winter evening, Henry's driver said, "We'll be out early tomorrow. We got to take the flying kipper. Don't tell." Henry's driver and fireman had jumped clear before the crash.
The flying
Henry
kipper.
lay dazed and surprised. Sir Topham Hatt came to see him. "The signal was down, sir," said Henry. "A fine place for sick engines. They'll give you a new shape and no coal anymore. Won't that be nice?" "Yes, sir," said Henry. Tower wagons and was black from smokebox to cab. He was more dirty than hurt. But the tar to pieces. Toby and Percy was sent to help and could. James pretended he hadn't heard. Toby and Percy cleared away the unhurt cars and helped James home. But that evening they lifted Gordon and made a road of sleepers under his wheels to keep him.
Gordon
Strong ropes were fastened to his back end.
takes a dip.
James and Henry, pulling hard, managed to
And the last one was James in the mess. The last one was. Sorry. The last appearance of season 1. For the breakdown train. Thomas Christmas party.
Very excited, and the drivers felt sure that Sir Topham Hatt would agree, as indeed he did. The engines were all busy making plans when silence fell. "Thomas, there's no party unless you do." Thomas hated snow, but he said bravely, "I'll try, sir. We must rescue her. We must." "There's a good engine. You and Toby will manage splendidly." Mrs. Kindly. New Year.